Come take a look at the certified pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This Silverado 2500 HD has just under 39,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, satellite radio, tinted windows and passenger airbag. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.